Here is the latest Redmi Note 7 Pro ISP Pinout. In this post, you will file Redmi Note 7 Pro EMMC Pinout for remove user lock and pattern lock bypass FRP lock, and also you can use this ISP Pinout for flashing. Here is the Redmi Note 7 can be used to overcome some software problems on Redmi Note 7 Pro phone. To direct it, you can use a flasher box that has direct ISP feature support, and usually the flasher box can also be used for repairing IMC like easy Jtag, UFI, etc. Usage of Redmi Note 7 Pro ISP Pinout. Read/write eMMC via ISP. Read/write eMMC via Direct Connect. eMMC installed in socket. One-click boot repair via Direct M connection. Read MMC info. Many useful info there such as read/write counter, error counter, etc. Factory eMMC formatting. Low eMMC formatting. Master/slave partition activation. eMMC smart repartition. eMMC partition cloning. Before removing or replacing IC eMMC, you should do direct eMMC first. Still, discuss a little about and pinch. It turns out the partitions don't match. For eMMC, use CamKJS. Use the new boss. Don't use the second one. What is second? Second is the second boss of the former EMMC who died or asks for TP. Because of the UFI box their support TP eMMC Samsung brand, we can't mention one by one because there are many from that by the eMMC owner. The TP was revived and sold at a cheap price. Redmi Note 7 Pro ISP eMMC Pinout. Okay, just follow this direct eMMC Redmi Note 7 Pro ISP Pinout. Please download Redmi Note 7 Pro FRP and user lock remove using AE tool. Redmi Note 7 latest security patch not possible with USB cable with any box/dongle or TP point. Finally, user lock plus FRP remove done via ISP connection with AE tool. So that later when you want to direct again you are not confused looking for the direct pin. Please boss, just save it on HDD boss so that at any time there are cases that can be used again. Congratulations, try the boss. 1. Please jumper for VCC VEQ CLK CMD D0 GND for GND or ground. Don't forget the jumpers are also bosses. Otherwise, the jumpers don't connect later. Clear user lock. You can try using the ISP method via UFI eMMC toolbox. Use factory reset under special task in user partition tab. Or using eTool by MRT, Android EMMC tool.